Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing another PC flip. It's pretty much the same as the last one, with a RTX 3060 and a Ryzen 7 3700X. This time it's gonna be more used parts than new parts. My friend was upgrading his PC, so we got this and his PC case for free. So it's gonna be more profit there. Alright, let's start building. Before building the PC, I just want to test if this PCU is safe to use. I'm gonna test it with this power supply tester that I bought from AliExpress. This way it doesn't fry any expensive components in the PC. There we go, turn it on. It seems fine. It's not too loud, nice and quiet. It's safe to put in the PC build. This sticker is kind of bothering me, so let's get rid of this first. We've got a heat gun here that I bought from AliExpress. Okay, we got some leftovers here that we can use alcohol and to remove. There we go, smooth, not sticky. Unfortunately, these are not reverse fans, since reverse fans are quite expensive here in Norway, and I didn't want to wait 2 weeks for reverse fans to come from AliExpress. So we're just using these, the back facing towards us, so there are intake. I'm gonna be adding 1 TB of hard drive for some extra storage.